the chef's table in Rockland, California, where everything's sustainable, farm to table, so anything can happen. Like this bit of bacon and this bit of wine. Obviously, they're making stuff happen here. You can come here, you can get underground food, you can get what's on the menu. Whatever is farm to table, you're going to get, and you guys are going to make it for you. And if you want some pepper, we got it.